Hi there, Bon Crowder here with Math4.com. Math is not a four-letter word. Talking about Cuisenaire rods and fractions. So today I'm going to add 2/3 and 5/6. And how about we turn off the fan so it's not so loud. 2/3 plus 5/6, and I'm going to use my sweet little Cuisenaire rods. So I have them handy here, and I've got a grid. It's actually a photocopy of some, let's do it this way. So I have 2/3 plus 5/6. So I'm actually representing the fractions with the rods themselves. So this is a 2 unit over a 3 unit and a 5 unit over a 6 unit. So then I take and I go, okay, so these bottoms don't match. This size and this size are not the same. So I'm going to, the rule is it's going to be the same value if I can duplicate it the same amount of times. So I do, instead of 1 red and 1 light green, I do 2 reds and 2 light greens. So 2 reds and 2 light greens. Now I do this, I chose the light green because light green, 2 light greens, oops, 2 light greens make 1 dark green. So I want my common denominator, if you will, is going to be this length here, this 2 light greens, which is the same as 1 dark green. So I'm going to move this guy, copy him down, and I'm adding here. Oop. Add. So now I have a dark green on the bottom, so I can convert the rods. Dark green, and then a 4, which is the same as purple. So this guy is the same as this guy. And because I don't have enough rods, I'm going to have to start duplicating here, stealing from the top. So now I have a common denominator. So I'm going to swipe this one totally away. My common denominator is this dark green. And then I have purple plus yellow is my numerator. So now I have to convert again. And again I have to swipe. Whoop. So this is really a dark green and a dark green. And then, so that's the bottom dark green and the top to here, and then a light green. So this shape and distance is the same as this shape and distance. So I'm going to go over here to do a little bit of reducing. So this is one piece, and then these 3 pieces, but again we keep the same denominator. So I'm going to take this. This is getting interesting, isn't it? So this is 1, 1, and 1 over this. So really, okay, just so what we have left is 1 and 3 over this bit. Now this is where, so our answer is 1 and 3 over 6. So how do we deal with 3 over 6? Well, now we've got we can convert the denominator into pieces and the numerator into pieces, like so. And the reason why I chose the white and the red, not because I'm in the Christmas spirit, but because there's 3 each of them. So indeed, light green over dark green is the same as, say, 3 whites over 2 light greens. That's the same. But there's 3 on the top and there's 2 on the bottom. So what I need is matching 3 on the top and 3 on the bottom. Because what I can do then is, if I have 3 on the top and 3 on the bottom, I can remove 1 and I can remove 2. So as long as they're the same amount on the top and the bottom, then that works. So when we had 1 and 3/6, though, the 3/6 is now 1/2. So our final answer, if I can write correctly, is 1 and 1/2. So that's how to add fractions using Cuisenaire rods, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I am over and out. This is Bon Crowder with Math4.com reminding you that math is not a 4-letter word.